Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Miss Asma Tariq is here with you. Today we will discuss about different forms of processed data, sorted data and group data and calculations. Different forms of processed data. We know now that data is processed in steps. Different processing operations can be carried out on data. For example, a set of names can be processed by rearranging the names in alphabetical order. This makes it easy to look for a particular name. A series of numbers can be arranged in ascending order or descending order. We need to know the purpose of processing before deciding how we want the data to be processed. There are three important forms of processed data. Sorted data. Sorting means organizing data according to some predefined criteria. The criteria may differ according to preferences and the use of information. For example, a teacher may want a list of students' names arranged alphabetically, but a physical instructor might want a list of student names arranged in descending order of height. Sorting helps us find information easily. Computer programs like spreadsheets allow large amounts of data to be sorted effectively. If the same task was done by hand, it would take time, hours, or even days. This is the example of an alphabetically sorted list. In this list, the number one list a random list in which the names are displayed randomly, and the second part of the list displayed the names in alphabetical orders. In the first list, the first name is Zahida, and the alphabetically sorted list display the first name Asma as A, and the second name starting with the B, and the third name starting with Y, and the last name starting with the character Z according to the alphabetically order. So this is the example of the sorted list, how it is easy to search the student names by using the sorted list. Grouping. Grouping means placing data items in separate groups so that all members of a group have something in common. A data processing system might be able to group all students of class 5 in one group and all students of class 6 in another group from a combined list of all students. Group data help us see how different items of data are related to each other. The third form of processed data is calculation. Numeric data can be used to perform a wide variety of calculations. Electronic spreadsheets and calculators are widely used to perform complex calculations using a computer. Users can also create graphs and charts to display data easily and understand numeric data easily. Computers are highly efficient at performing calculations and their capabilities are exceed those of human beings. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like and share my videos and subscribe my channel.